Welcome to the session. Here you can see some of the projects that I have done. Let us see them inside. This is the actual Scratch online editor that looks like. We have got a flag over here because we have set the code, animation code like that. When you click on the flag that is on the cake, the animation works. So here you can see that in instruction box it is given click on the birthday cake. That is the instruction. Now when you see inside that, you get the actual code. We have these many blocks over here which helps us to write the code for the animation to work. Now you can see the sprites that I have taken are all different. You can take the sprites from this. You can take the backdrops from the backdrop window. Now the code for the sprite cake. When the sprite is clicked, switch the backdrop to hearts, wait for 5 seconds, switch the backdrop to party, and play the birthday song. That is the code we have written for the cake. That is the reason we'll get a flag on the cake. Now, sprite A. This is the code. Sprite B. This is the code. Sprite B. I've kept or I have repeated the code for both the letters. This is the code for letter Y and this is the code for letter H. I've written whole birthday in a text box which is having a code like this. It is in one text box. That is the reason it will have been affected throughout the text box. Now, when you actually work with it, this is how it works. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you.